Ever pondered about the potential wealth hidden in common metals such as nickel? As we stand on the precipice of a new era, there's a shift in the investment landscape. One of the things that's causing quite a stir is a humble yet vital element from the periodic table: nickel. This isn't just another shiny metal, it's a powerhouse that propels our modern world. From electric vehicles to renewable energy systems, nickel is at the heart of these innovations, making it a worthy contender for your investment portfolio. Let's put it this way. Imagine a world without stainless steel, without rechargeable batteries, without certain types of medical equipment. Hard to visualize, right? That's the world without nickel. This ubiquitous metal holds potential for significant wealth generation, and it's high time we turn our attention towards it. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we delve into the world of nickel investment. Nickel, a silver-white lustrous metal with a slight golden tinge, holds more value than meets the eye. This robust metal is more than just a shiny object. Nickel is a hard, ductile, and corrosion-resistant material. It's these qualities that make nickel incredibly versatile, finding its place in various industries. Let's begin with its most popular use: stainless steel. Around 65% of the nickel produced worldwide goes into making stainless steel. Nickel gives stainless steel its defining characteristics: strength, resistance to heat and corrosion, and a shiny finish. So every time you admire your stainless steel cutlery or appliances, remember it's nickel that's bringing the sparkle. But the significance of nickel doesn't stop there. It's an essential component in rechargeable batteries, especially for electric vehicles. As we move towards sustainable energy solutions, the demand for electric vehicles is skyrocketing, and so is the need for nickel. It's nickel that allows these batteries to store more energy and deliver it more efficiently, making your electric vehicle run smoother and longer. Nickel also plays a crucial role in the aerospace industry. High-performance alloys, which often contain nickel, are used in jet engines and turbines due to their ability to withstand extreme heat and pressure. So every time an airplane ascends to the sky, it does so with a little help from nickel. In the world of coins, nickel has a storied history. The United States 5-cent coin, famously known as the nickel, is made of 75% copper and 25% nickel, giving it durability and a pleasing aesthetic. Now let's not forget our everyday gadgets. From smartphones to laptops, nickel is in almost all electronic devices we use daily. It's a critical component in microchips, enhancing the device's performance and lifespan. So you see, nickel is all around us, silently contributing to our daily lives and the industries that drive our economy. It's this widespread application and growing demand that make nickel a metal of significant value. Understanding the importance of nickel sets the foundation for appreciating its investment potential. You might be wondering, why should I invest in nickel? Well, let's delve deeper into this, shall we? Firstly, the demand for nickel is on the rise. The world is becoming more and more industrialized, and nickel is a key component in numerous industrial processes. This metal is used in everything from stainless steel manufacturing to the creation of alloys with exceptional heat and corrosion resistance. The more the world develops, the more nickel we need. Secondly, the supply of nickel is limited. We can't make more nickel, we can only mine what's already in the earth. And while we're not running out of nickel just yet, the fact that it's a finite resource means that its value could increase over time. Plus, the process of extracting and refining nickel is both costly and time-consuming, which adds to the overall value of this metal. But perhaps the most compelling reason to invest in nickel is its role in emerging technologies. Here's a fun fact for you. Nickel is a critical component in the batteries that power electric vehicles. As the world shifts towards cleaner, more sustainable forms of energy, the demand for electric vehicles is skyrocketing. And with that comes a growing need for nickel. In fact, some experts predict that the electric vehicle industry could end up doubling the demand for nickel in the next 10 years. Now that's a trend worth paying attention to. Investing in nickel is also a way to invest in the future. It's a bet on continued technological progress, on the growth of renewable energy, and on the increasing industrialization of developing nations. With nickel, you're not just buying a chunk of metal, you're buying a piece of the future. Of course, like all investments, nickel comes with its own set of risks, which we'll discuss in the next scene. But for now, let's focus on its potential. Nickel's pivotal role in our future technologies makes it an asset worth considering. So are you ready to add some shine to your investment portfolio? Now that you see the potential, the question arises: how can you invest in nickel? Let's delve into this topic, starting with the most straightforward method: buying stocks in nickel mining companies. This is a direct form of investment where you buy shares of companies that mine and produce nickel. Companies like Vale, Norilsk Nickel, and BHP Billiton are some of the biggest players in the industry. By investing in these companies, you're essentially placing your bet on their success and the continued demand for nickel. But perhaps you're looking for a more hands-on approach. That's where nickel futures come in. Futures are financial contracts obligating the buyer to purchase an asset or the seller to sell an asset at a predetermined future date and price. In this case, the asset is nickel. By buying nickel futures, you're speculating on the future price of nickel. If you believe the price of nickel will rise, you'd buy a futures contract. If the price of nickel does indeed go up, you'd reap the profits. But remember, futures trading is a sophisticated investment strategy and requires a solid understanding of the commodities market. If direct investment in mining stocks or futures trading sounds a bit too risky for your taste, another option is to invest in nickel exchange-traded funds or ETFs. These are investment funds traded on stock exchanges, much like individual stocks. Nickel ETFs offer exposure to a basket of nickel-related assets, providing a more diversified investment. This helps spread the risk and can offer a more steady return. The beauty of investing in nickel is that you have a range of options to suit your investment style, risk tolerance, and financial goals. Whether you want to go all in with mining stocks, speculate with futures, or play it safe with ETFs, the choice is yours. With these options at your disposal, nickel investment becomes a tangible and accessible opportunity. As with any investment, nickel comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Now let's delve into the potential hazards and benefits that come along with investing in this versatile metal. One of the most prominent risks associated with nickel investment is price volatility. The price of nickel, like other commodities, is subject to fluctuations due to various factors. These can range from changes in global economic conditions, shifts in supply and demand dynamics, to geopolitical events. For instance, a sudden surge in demand for nickel from emerging sectors like electric vehicle batteries can drive up prices, while a slowdown in global manufacturing can lead to a price slump. Another risk to consider is regulatory changes. Governments around the world regulate the mining and trade of nickel to varying degrees. Changes in these regulations can impact nickel prices and, by extension, the return on your investment. For example, a country might tighten environmental regulations on nickel mining, leading to reduced supply and potentially higher prices. Conversely, easing of regulations could increase supply and depress prices. Despite these risks, the potential rewards of nickel investment can be substantial. One of the main drivers of this is the increasing demand for nickel, particularly from the renewable energy and electric vehicle sectors. Nickel is a key component in lithium-ion batteries, which power everything from smartphones to electric cars. As the world moves towards greener energy solutions, the demand for nickel is projected to rise, offering potential for high returns to those who invest wisely. Moreover, investing in nickel provides an opportunity for portfolio diversification. Adding nickel to your investment portfolio can help spread risk and potentially boost returns, particularly during times when other investments may be underperforming. Investing in nickel, like any other asset, requires careful consideration of these risks and rewards. So as you contemplate putting your money into nickel, remember to weigh these factors carefully. Your decision should be based on thorough research and, where appropriate, professional advice. We've embarked on a fascinating journey through the world of nickel investment. We've unpacked the importance of nickel, its versatile roles in different industries, and its potential as an investment opportunity. We've also delved into how you can invest in nickel and weighed the potential risks and rewards of such an investment. But remember, the world of investment is not a one-size-fits-all. It's crucial to conduct your own research, make informed decisions, and always consider your financial goals and risk appetite. Nickel, like any other investment, comes with its own set of challenges and opportunities. It's important to understand these intricacies before jumping in. So, why wait? Start your research today. Dive deeper into the specifics of nickel investment. Analyze the market trends, study the industry, and consider your options. With knowledge and caution, the world of nickel investment awaits your exploration.